you're back with us on the C Morning Show. We were all once children, right? And children usually they play games. What kind of games did you play, Archie, when you were a kid?
Oh, well, I was a kid, so I played many games actually.
Yeah. What was your favorite?
I was a big video gamer, and when during my secondary school, my goal is to become a game developer actually.
Oh my goodness!
Yes, so I wrote a thesis for like secondary school grades about video games.
How cute is that?
Yes.
So I bet that's why you're smiling away. I can understand now why Archie's smiling away, because we're going to talk about this latest game that is going to be rolled out to gamers really soon, and hopefully in the beginning of 2025. It's called Luwak Bandit. This game is unique because the main character or the hero of this game is actually this clever animal called luwak. Maybe some people know it for like the luwak coffee, but this time it's a character that we will follow his story. The background is actually during colonial times because Indonesia was colonized by the Dutch for 350 years. And that's why today, right, Archie, we have the creator of the game.
Yes, the creator of the game. We have Mas
Brigel
Bagenda joining us in the studio today. So, welcome, Mas.
Thank you.
Yes.
Mas Brigel, explain to us Luwak Bandit.
Yeah,
so
what
is
is it?
this game about? What is the story? Because usually a game has a story, right?
Yes, exactly. Luwak Bandit basically is a characters that I create actually years ago, 4 years ago, and then it inspired me by a historical event in Indonesia.
Which one is that?
It's in the 18th century Java. There's a colonial oppression at that time, and they occupy the tremendous land in Java, especially a coffee plantation. Yeah, and then the local or the villagers they cannot drink a coffee, for example.
Right.
And then at that time there is a luwak who always handpick the coffee in the plantation,
Yes.
and then distribute it to the local. That's that historical story that inspired me.
Is that
Yes.
that a real story?
It's a real story. It's a real story.
I heard about it. So actually, if I'm correct, that the story of how the luwak coffee goes into us is because it's the villagers can only collect the luwaks,
Yeah, the beans that comes out of the
that
luwak.
comes out of the luwak,
Yeah. Oh, wow. I did not know that. You learn something new every day, right? So this takes in the 18th century, and then Luwak, or Luwak Bandit, is the hero. For some reason, when I see the title Luwak Bandit and the way he is portrayed there, it feels a little bit like Robin Hood. Like he's doing something good.
Exactly.
So what is the story? What is the journey of the Luwak?
So the journey of a luwak basically is not right words when we say stealing coffee, because basically it's not steal coffee, but the colonial operation, they took the land and luwak want to take back what they have.
Yes.
The villagers
Right,
take. But
right.
basically it's not stealing.
Not stealing.
Yes, not stealing, but
returning.
Returning.
Yes, it's like returning to the villagers. So the story is luwak need to collect, handpick the coffee cherries as much as it can, and then need to process it, dry it, distribute it, and grind it, and then brewing the expensive, the expensive coffee in the world.
Very interesting, because you also incorporate the elements of not just the historical, but also technical aspects of brewing a coffee.
Yes.
Luwak coffee.
I
So,
love this.
Yeah.
I love this already.
Yeah.
Shall we
So,
play the game,
yes,
Archie?
Please.
Yes, sure.
Let's show the audience how the game looks. I also want to play it because it's right now it's not available on Play Store yet.
Yeah.
So if people want to play it, they have to sign up for beta testing.
Yes. Basically, now what we share now is directly from the develop software.
Okay. Tap to start. Shall we start?
Yes. Okay. We can type it. Okay. Now we got the daily rewards.
Okay. What is this? The daily reward.
Every day when you play this game, you will get reward.
Okay, let's
see.
pray. Let's
So
press day one.
Definitely
Okay.
an RPG game.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Alright.
I will make it. This is. Okay, so.
Don't you
Okay.
just love the music though?
Yeah,
It's amazing. It's Javanese music. Very authentically Indonesian, this game. So, okay, Luwak is currently walking. What is he doing?
So
Bree?
now he need to talk to the advisor what he need to do to against the oppression.
Okay.
So he need
Okay.
to.
Where is the
advise-
advisor? Let's
this,
find
this
the
one,
advisor.
This is the orangutan.
Oh, hi,
Oh, the
orangutan.
advisor is orangutan.
I'm glad you're back, Luwak. And then
Yeah, and then
I will give you a few updates now. The Londo. Oh, I love it.
Londo are
The Londo is the Dutch.
The Dutch, the VOC.
Are ruling our land. Now that you're here, it's time to fight back. But the villagers are weak without their caffeine. Our land's been taken away. We need to secretly build a base to produce coffee to villagers. We need woods to build base. So this is basically the directive, right? The direction that the orangutan is giving to the luwak. And then what is the next stage? Oh, it's going into the cave.
So basically, Luwak secretly built a base in the basically in the wood. So this base is supposed to is like a secret basically. So the Londo will know where exactly the base camp. It's kind of like a rebellion base camp that where people can strategize their ideas.
It's like the Vietnamese back in the 1970s during the war with the Americans. They created the tunnels. So
Yes,
this
yes,
is
yes.
almost like that.
Yes, almost like that.
wow.
It's
Like Star Wars
just
too.
in the wood.
Yeah.
And then
Rebel Alliance versus the Empire. The Geek in Me came out, yeah.
This is fun. So you've decided to put Indonesian elements, including I just love the music.
Yeah, it's relaxing.
It is.
It's like spa music.
Yeah.
yeah, the music we recorded in the studio is every instrument is native organic
Oh,
instrument.
it's real, yeah.
So it's not a virtual instrument.
Right.
It's like natural. For example, like this we use karinding and flute from Sunda.
Yeah.
Because this is the set. It was 18th century in the West Java.
Right.
Right.
That's all correct period.
Right.
So all the clothes and wardrobe and anything in this game is all correct period.
I
Yeah.
see.
Is that lurik that
Lurik, exactly.
Luwak is wearing?
Wearing lurik,
That is
yes.
So there's a correct historical significance
Yes,
in the game. So
Yes.
the music, the
music,
clothing,
the
the storyline.
the storyline, the character, the art,
Right.
the art itself, and the story based on true event. But at the time, the colonial assume or figure the pribumi or the native is as an animal. They recon them as an animal.
Yes,
Like
that's
if you look the Raden Saleh painting, that they
Yes.
make a bigger like head, like mannerism era.
Yeah.
So that's why it's good idea. It is a good idea when we bring the animals into our protagonist.
Yes, it's a very interesting twist because yes, you are absolutely right, Bri. Because even in Pramudia Anantatur's
Yes.
book, Bumi Manusia,
Yeah.
the main character is called by the Dutch Minke, which means
Right, which means mink.
which
Yeah.
means monyet.
Monyet.
What is monyet? Ape.
The apes or the monkey. Yeah.
The monkey,
The monkey,
exactly. It's a
yes.
very derogatory way to refer to Indonesians at that time, right? But
Yes,
that's what's
yes, yes.
happening. Yeah.
But
wow.
that's when we brought all the endemic animals into this game.
Yes. What are the animals that you include
That-
in this game?
They have a a cockatoo. It's a black cockatoo from Molucas, and Tarsius from Borneo,
Right?
Right.
and then
Small
the orangutan, and then the rhino, Java rhinos,
Yes.
and then also we have a Balinese jalak.
Jalak,
The bird.
Burung jalak,
Yeah. And then the unique way the Tarsius is the old actually is a old lady that brewing a cup of coffee every day with also with tea like hibiscus tea like endemics.
Yes,
That's all
hibiscus
the-
tea.
Yeah, there's all balance between the animals.
What made you want to make this game that feels truly authentically Indonesian? How did the idea come
Oh, the
about?
ideas.
Yeah.
The ideas is actually is like my my personal anecdote when I was kids. Yeah, I got intact with the luwak. At that time, it's a cunning luwak navigate through the wires, electricity wires.
In your home?
Yeah, in my home, in my neighborhood.
Right.
Yeah,
And you live in Jakarta.
yeah, I live in Jakarta. At that time, when I was kids, it's like still in Manggarai.
Yes.
I used to live in Manggarai.
Yeah, in Manggarai, but
We're
so
probably neighbors.
you deliver that they there's many luwak that they. This one is like we can say is stealing somebody else jewelry.
Oh,
Like
wow.
when I see the luwak, he carries the jewelry like watches and jewelry.
Wow, I've never seen that.
So that's where the idea
That's
came from.
where the
How old
ideas.
were you at the time? Bri?
Maybe 10 or like teenage basically.
Adorable.
Teenage. Yeah, and it's luwak is often they have the same road all the time. The same roads, they never change it.
Right.
They never change the road,
Right.
the path. I mean,
So it's like
Yeah.
us. It's like us going commuting.
Yes,
back
yes,
to
commuting,
work to,
exactly.
Right? Back and
Like-
forth every day, same route.
from point A to point
Yeah,
B
every
in the same. But the unique thing is he carries different jewelry. It's trained by the, might say like criminals to steal from the rich.
That's
Yes.
oh my goodness. So this is exactly the story of that luwak. I wonder if that luwak is still alive. If it's still alive, well, thank you so much for the inspiration. So usually with a game, Bri, there
Yes.
is a journey, right? How many stages does a luwak bandit have to go through, and what are the challenges? For example, every stage of the game, there's usually like the villain or the monster that you need to beat, right?
Yes.
So,
For example, these stages first that they need to ask the villagers to help to build the base camp.
okay.
So this one,
Ask this villager with the
I
blank on.
need to ask like building a secret base.
It's about time.
It's
Let's
about
do
time.
it.
Let's do it.
Okay. And then
we
ask
we
this.
found one person who willing to help,
Okay.
and
let's see.
the second person,
Oh,
okay,
still the
he-
same
yeah,
person.
he wants it. But it's still same villagers, but soon we will change the characters.
Right.
Right.
So after
After building the base, and then
after
what
building
happened?
the base, we need to collect the coffee. I will bring you now to the
To
coffee
the coffee plantation. Oh my goodness, this is so fun.
yeah, fun.
And this one, this one you need to secretly steal steal the coffee cherries.
Oh, and this is where the action is.
Is that the coffee? Ooh.
If you move the radius of the torch lantern is bigger. If you move,
Right.
so we need to
So
steal
this
it.
is where the
Oh, that's the
stealth
cherry
part
harvest.
Harvest the cherries.
of the game comes in. Yeah.
Yes,
So
yes, okay.
fun.
See, it's like playing Metal Gear Solid.
Yeah, Metal Gear Solid, exactly like like you need to steal, and then if they know if you got
Ooh.
caught,
Oh no, we have to avoid the light because the guard is
Oh, you
there.
can hide. Oh.
The guard that is guarding the coffee plantation
you know.
owned by the Dutch. Oh no.
and then you cannot hide in this section.
Oh no, it's
You got- you got
no. And then what happens? See, the Dutch comes out.
Yeah,
You
they-
better not come back here.
Yeah,
You're not welcome.
They get rid all of your items in your bag.
And then you have to
And
go
then you
from
have
Yes,
the
you
start
need to
beginning.
again.
start again. And then when you come back, is the obstacle more difficult because the guard already aware of your existing.
This game looks very like very intricate. So I'm just curious, like how long did you develop all this, and how many people were involved?
This is a good
Probably
question.
a lot, right?
It's a good question. At the moment now we are running the fundraising.
On Kickstarter.
Yeah, at Kickstarter.
Yes.
To basically to enhance the artwork and all the things that we need now, but to develop this game is quite quick. Like 6 months we done with the mechanic. But then the making the artwork is takes
Right.
ages. Like we need to crafting one by one and making hatching and so on. It takes around. It's already been 3 years now.
3 years.
Develop this thing and the characters 3D. It's not many RPG that use 3D.
Yes,
3D
especially on mobile game.
Yes,
mobile
yes,
phones.
yes. Because it's heavy and difficult to develop.
Yeah.
Is
Yeah.
this going to be like a mobile or a PC game?
It's a mobile game. For now, we are focusing on mobile game.
Yeah.
But soon maybe we are develop for stream in the stream.
In the stream as well.
Yes.
And I heard that this game is also supporting environmental sustainability.
Exactly.
Tell us about that.
Okay, it's interesting. So every we start the fundraising at the time, and then until now, all the profit from this game and contribution we help the luwak conservation in Kintamani, Bali.
Oh, wow.
So we preserve
Nice.
the nature because it's not it's wild
Well, luwak.
luwak. Yeah, it's not like a
farm.
captive. Yeah, no farm.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's why we help them to preserve the land and so on and the plants and anything.
I see.
Yes, yes.
Oh, that's
And then we need to track also the single origin of the coffee itself. So it's not just coffee from somewhere else that we don't know.
Wow.
Yes.
And it really, I see it really highlights what Indonesia is all about, like good coffee.
Yeah, good coffee.
You know, and,
Beautiful
Beautiful
nature.
nature, music.
Yes.
Friendly people.
Yeah, especially what I like is the music part, because it's, you know, sometimes games have all this very jumpy, very high volume, high
Yeah.
energy music, and this is
Suda,
very
yeah.
Indonesian, yeah, very
So
like,
relaxing.
It's
Very
so
sooth.
relaxing. I told you, like spa music.
It's
nice.
because at that time music is the channel to communicate to emotion of every person in and at that time. So they use different hertz and frequency to make us actually more soothed and calm.
Yeah. So do you use a specific hertz as well for this?
Sorry, say again.
Do you use a specific hertz
Yes,
as well
yes.
for
This is like a 432 hertz.
Wow.
Right.
That's is good for our bodies.
Yeah.
Yeah. body.
I'm so
Interesting.
amazed and impressed how well thought out this game is, Bri. I
Yes,
mean, it's
thank
like because usually games like you said, Archie is it's pumping the
High energy.
it's
Yeah,
high
energy,
energy.
exactly.
It's like high stress. This one is actually yeah, of
Calming.
course, because of the challenges when you're caught or when the luwak is caught, it's a little bit stressful. But the rest of it is actually it's a really relaxing game. Do you think this is also going to be available not only for Indonesians but also for the international?
Oh, this is
gamers?
like basically international.
Oh wow.
Okay.
International.
When is it gonna be rolled out?
Yeah,
Seriously,
so-
I don't mean to give you pressure, but
Yes,
even
please.
me, I'm usually not a big fan of this kind of game like Zelda, right? What do you call it?
Yeah,
RPG?
Yeah, Zelda.
RPG.
Zelda.
Yeah, it's like Zelda because it's like adventure game. You have to find all
Yeah,
the
yes.
clues and everything. But this one, I like it because it's a little bit like Harvest Moon, where you
Yeah,
Yeah, you
harvest
can
the
you
coffee.
can you can
You're
crafting.
right, you're right.
You can even bring a craft the tools
Yeah.
that you found, like for example, like gear, wood, and crafted it into an instrument that luwak can use it for harvesting, and it has cycles and leather boots and all
Like
the
Harvest Moon.
cosmetics.
It's like Harvest
Yes, Harvest Moon.
It's so cute.
The best interesting from this luwak bandit basically it has is 360. We are not only making game, but we also make animation, animation and store and children's books.
And also the statue, right?
Yes.
Oh
This
yeah,
is
we
the-
forgot to mention about this one.
Yeah, well,
this
like a little
guy.
Yes,
figurine.
this is like this is our first master prototype. It's like
yeah.
Is it handmade?
yes, this is handmade sculpture,
Wow.
not 3D printing, and not.
Beautiful.
From what's the material of
Resin.
This is resin, but the master we use epoclay, and then to like sculpting one by one. And this
Yes.
is the hatching itself. We crafted very carefully.
You did it yourself.
No, it's basically it's a team. If I do it myself, everything is quite not really that excellent like this.
Yeah, this is really
Yes.
beautiful. So this is Luwak Bandit. Hi, Luwak Bandit.
Yeah, the color is artist.
Artwork.
the sculptor,
All Indonesians.
all Indonesian.
Amazing. Where can people have access to this? Because I know some people collect, right?
Yeah, we.
I love this one, actually. I really do.
Is it on sale?
Yes, it is. It is on sale.
Where can we get access
yeah.
to it?
In our Instagram,
Okay.
Luwak Bandit, and or we can pledge in the fundraising.
Right, in
Certain
Kickstarter.
yeah, in a certain amount you can get this thing.
And if now, if people, all the viewers want to play this game, want to play Luwak Bandit, so where do they should go? Tell us.
Yeah, good question.
Yeah.
Now we are internally testing this game. So we started to gather like some emails, like emails. Then we send it the link through email. Now I mean like everyone now can test the game through
just,
email.
Just send an email and
Yes.
then you'll receive
Then
the code?
you can download it through Play Store from this
Okay.
email. The email link and then direct to your Play Store, Google. And at the moment, App Store not yet.
Okay.
So we
Oh,
only testing for Android first.
On Play Store.
And then when it's already bug test, everything set
Yes.
ready, then we release soon as early this year.
Early next year,
Early
in
next year.
2025. I
2025.
cannot wait. So the socials for Luwak Bandit is at Luwak Bandit.
Luwak Bandit.
At Luwak Bandit. On Instagram?
Instagram,
And then?
X, and YouTube. And
YouTube even?
Yes, YouTube. And the Discord, the community is.
Discord.
Yes,
Yeah, it's
Discord.
big on gaming.
Yeah,
Yes,
we can gaming.
it is. Are you on Discord?
Of course I am. Of course I am.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you so much for sharing with us.
Thank you, thank you.
Game.
It
Can't
is.
wait to play.
It
Yes,
is.
yes, yes.
I cannot wait to play Luwak Bandit. There you go. The game is going to be rolled out hopefully early 2025. And for those of you who are interested, you can find them on their socials at Luwak Bandit to request the game. And now we're set for another commercial break. When we return, we'll bring you the world headlines. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.